Welcome to the project demonstration of Smart Kitchen Control and Monitoring using Wi-Fi module. In this project, we are using two power supplies. Here we can see this is a DC power supply and this is a AC power supply. AC power supply for the AC loads and DC power supply for these all components. So let us see the components. Here we can see the node MCU and motion detection sensor, relays and gas sensor, DC fan, track PCB, DHT11, and also here we can see the 3 holders. So this adapter will take 230 volts of power supply through this side and it will give 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be given to this track PCB. So main aim of this track PCB is to divide the DC power supply equal to this all components like sensors and relay board, node MCU. So we are providing the extra DC voltage battery for this fan which works on the 9 volts of power supply. So if power is on, so here we can see the system is in on condition. After that we have to connect our Wi-Fi module through our phone. So we need to go hotspot settings. So here we can see the project name should be 6413 and password should be 129. After that we have to go Blink IoT. So here we can see temperature, humidity and gas PIR sensor. So here we can see the DHT11 which measures temperature and humidity also. So here we can see the motion sensor. If any motion detected by the sensor, it will give PIR light. Here we can see. And also if gas will be increased, automatically load will be stopped. So here I am giving the supply for the AC load through this. So now I am on this AC load. So we can see the fan and light is in on position and we can give AC fan also here. So now here we can see if it is more than 300, automatically it will stop all the loads. Again we have to on our load, or we can stop this one using this. In this way this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.